Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the makeup function on the Facelab application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, select a picture from your gallery. After that, click on the first option down below, Auto Makeup. Here, as you can see, you have a bunch of preset makeup filters that you can choose from. So if you tap on it, you can see how it is applied to your picture, and then you can adjust it by the help of this scale in the middle of the screen. As you can see, it's being processed. So feel free to try out more than one options and then select the relevant one that suits your preferences the most. After finding it and adjusting it to your picture, click on the checkmark button down below in the right side corner of the screen, thereby saving it in the upper right corner. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.